Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you haven't tuned in before, I'm Josh and this is Schneid's 15. I'm making a 1-year review on this 2014 F-150 on the plastic rockers and cab corners that I installed from OAM Manufacturing. OAM was nice enough to help me out with these last year and turn with making the video and showing their step-by-step process. I really like these and I haven't got paid for these at all. I did last year just to put them on. I got credited for the price of the covers due to the video that I posted. However, it's been just over a year and I wanted to make the video because I have a million questions. The video's almost got 30,000 views and everybody's asking, how do they hold up in the cold? Do they, are they brittle? Are they breaking? Are they cracking? How is the adhesive? So I thought today would be a good day to answer all those questions. So let's walk around the truck and we're going to inspect everything. So this has gone through a Canadian winter, an Ontario winter. A Western Canada winter ain't so bad. It's colder, but wet for a wet winter. For a wet winter, Ontario's the worst for that, I would say. We get a lot of wet snow across the lakes. And I've washed the truck, but I haven't washed the rockers. So my most popular question is how'd they hold up in the cold? Well, the answer is amazing. They kept up with the adhesive, stuck great. The plastic never got brittle. People commonly step on them. I try not to, just in case, because I know that they're plastic and I try not to step on them getting in, but people always step on them getting in. They never, this door never gets used much. I keep all my tools in here, but they never got brittle at all. They've always worked just excellent and I never had any issue. The second most common question that I get is the adhesive and on the door strips. So as far as the adhesive back here, good as new. That's because they use 3M products and 3M, like if you look in my shop for boats, I use 3M products for waxing and buffing and everything. 3M's the best. So the only issue that I did have, I think it did come off a little bit right in here, but that was just due to the ridge here, and I probably didn't have it perfectly clean when I installed it. But anyways, that's it. So the paint was the third most asked question, and yeah, everything is just working awesome, guys. The only thing is the little ripples, that was from me installing it. It's been like that since I installed it. If I wanted a cleaner look and I didn't have running boards, I would have put them on a little bit nicer. But this truck had 375,000 kilometers on it when I installed them, and now it has 415,000 kilometers on it. So the price of metal rockers would have been, 4 or 5 grand, 3, 4, I don't know, for these for 600 bucks and some paint. It's kept this truck going. It's still an excellent looking truck, but to me it was, for what I paid for it because of the price of the kilometers, it was going to cost me almost as much as I paid for the truck just to redo the rockers and cab corners. And mind you, they weren't bad, but once you get to cutting them, if you watch my other video, you'll see how bad they actually were. But everything, yeah, has held up good. I don't have no complaints about the adhesive. The paint stuck well. I really, really do recommend their primer that they sell that's specific for plastic. I wouldn't go any other route. It's not worth messing around, and it's laid on really nice, and everything it worked awesome. So as you can see up here, this door gets used the most. No issues with it either. The colors held up pretty well, and you see it when you open up the door, but everything is, really well, and it's keeping this 2014 F-150 in good shape, and I really have no issues with them. Yes, if it was a truck that was, a $50,000 truck, I would put metal rockers back in it, but for what they offer, these plastic ones, I daily drive it in the winter. They're not going to rust out again, and I think it's, a great option for these high kilometer trucks that aren't worth a lot of money. and they won't rust out again. So that's my little 5-minute review on 1 year with the quick covers. I hope this helps you, and please check out the channel. And I'm gonna do another review probably in another year, and I hope this truck keeps running strong for me. Thanks for watching.